Hey guys, how are you? Hello everyone, this is CryptoCommons channel and my name is Greeny. I haven't been doing these videos for a while, since, to be honest with you, I don't remember since back when, but it doesn't matter because now I am speaking to you and I want to discuss some probabilities in next price movements of Bitcoin and altcoin markets and other assets as well. So please feel free to like, share and subscribe if you also enjoy this kind of content. By the way, originally I'm doing Russian shit on my main channel. I mean, my main channel is already 102,000 subscribers, guys. I appreciate every one of you. But we are speak Russian on that channel. So now you are on my second channel. Basically, it's English spoken channel, CryptoCommons English. Welcome everyone. And of course, disclaimer, non-financial advice, because, you know, guys, it's, I mean, come on, every market is very risky. I mean, if you enter any asset, you know, it's super volatile and risky, especially crypto, so, of course, non-financial advice. But what do we see in general? We are seeing a super bullish macro uptrend. Why do we see this super bullish macro uptrend, guys? Because this is Bitcoin. There will be maximum 21 million coins. We all know that. So, this is not shit. VPN companies after Brazil banned Twitter. This is funny. I mean, come on, guys, you should look at this. Every fucking cycle, every 4 years, we going up parabolically in Bitcoin because they are printing money. Federal Reserve, banking system, governments, corporations, basically they are inflating our currencies and stealing from our pockets. You should understand how it works. So, now we are facing the fourth Bitcoin halving in its history. This is great news, man. Generally speaking, after every halving, Bitcoin skyrocketed and have a blow off top, and then we have again bear market, then again bull market starts, halving, exponential phase, FOMO. Everyone is talking crypto, trying to get in crypto, and then boom, again, 70-80% correction. Everyone's selling, no one interested in crypto anymore. And then boom, again, new bull market, halving, and exponential phase. So now we are facing pretty much similar situation, as you may see here. So what do you think about that? Should we continue this pattern this time and finish this 16-year grand big cycle, which one Bob Lucas is talking about in his videos? And maybe then we can enter bigger bear market or some longer consolidation time phase. What do you think of that? Please tell me in comments below. Okay, let's keep on moving. What do we have more? Yeah, by the way, this is super funny t-shirt. Bitcoin is money for smart people, it says. You won't be interested. How do you like it? Moving forward, what do we see here? If we remove my expectations and just clearly see that we are in a weekly clear bull trend. I mean, look, we reversed here. We broke this downsloping resistance. Then we test the horizontal resistance as support line. And then we started to move this EMA ribbon, exponential moving averages, as support also. I mean, we flipped bullish here, right? Because the yellow line cross the red line, and now we see yellow line on the upside. Then we retest it as a support 2 times. Yeah, so here was the false breakout, and then we bounced back and immediately skyrocketed from 25 region to 70 region. Okay, so basically, yeah, there was only one stop on a weekly time frame right here. We found support at 38,000, and the resistance was 45,000, first resistance on this rocket road, rocket way. Okay, so by the way, feel free to correct my English. I completely understand that my English is super poor and and weird, so feel free to correct me, or maybe if I'm saying something wrong, I mean in terms of grammatics and everything, please feel free. I will appreciate this. But I try my best. I'm sure I need more practice. So yeah, basically we still can retest this region as mirror support, but if you look closer, we did actually test it this week. Okay, this week it was on a 4900, basically $49,000 area, and we retested it, almost retested. Look, we just a few points didn't reach that level, but anyway, maybe this will be already a good mirror point. I mean mirror level. I don't know, in Russia we say mirror level. Is it okay in English American space in crypto? Mirror level, it means when you retest previous resistance as a support, or maybe the opposite if we are talking about the bear trend, okay, like here. So yeah, maybe it is still looking pretty fine for me. I mean, we are testing again exponential EMA ribbon support. Nothing extraordinary here, nothing bearish here on a weekly time frame for me still. What do you think? And also, if we'll take a look at Fibonacci levels, we just tested 0.618 level, okay, 61.8 as DaVinci J15 called it. So it is very important level, and generally speaking, statistically speaking, this is a good reverse point. Probably this is good potential reverse point. I mean, like 70% times or even higher we respect this level. But we already bounced back and found support on 0.5, and now we are looking that we are trying to stand on this 0.382 level. So let's see how it goes, guys. I mean, let's say if Bitcoin is breaking, for example, this Fibonacci correction level of 61.8 and 78.6, which is also good level of support here and probable resistance here, or even if we break this downsloping resistance line. I mean, guys, if we're breaking these levels where we are right now, boom, there is no resistance. If we will break this probable right shoulder, okay, if we break this level of 69, guys, it's confirming, for me, it's a confirmation of a clear bull market, and I think we will see these levels much faster than everyone expects. I mean, we can see 100,000, 120, or even 200,000, because it's a parabola, you know, it's a parabolic trend which no one can stop. You should know what I mean if you are in this market for some time already. Yeah, so basically, trend is your friend. Do not short the trend. Anyway, of course, until it ends. So we should consider this down sloping channel, because it's technically it's a bearish trend. I mean, shorter term bearish trend on dailies, and we're already below the key EMA ribbon support on daily time frame. So yeah, but as you see, the price is dancing with this exponential moving averages. I mean, it's higher, lower. So you basically can scalp this as a trader. You can try to buy the lowest point as possible when we are far away from EMA ribbon daily support, and you can sell the highest points or even everything which is higher, the fair value, okay, because this is looking more like fair value without candles, right? And when candles are slightly above or below the EMA ribbon, you should statistically sell and buy. But as an investor, I think it's a good opportunity to buy Bitcoin even at these prices. What do you think? So me, basically, I am buying those dips and trading this volatility, this crazy volatility, to be honest with you guys. I am bullish on some old OG altcoins. I mean, I am bullish still on Litecoin, on Dash, if you remember this kind of cryptocurrency. It is super old school. There was a time back in 2013 maybe when there were 37 altcoins in total. I mean, there were no hundreds or even thousands or millions coins like now. And of course it's a bubble, guys. We should remember that everything is a bubble, not only altcoins or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, even stock market and fiat currencies especially, and the credit bubble. We should remember that, yeah? So basically we have two scenarios now. I think the main one from my point of view is this one. We are printing a big bear trap. Maybe we will get maybe we will have some more liquidations of longs. I mean, maybe we will see some squeeze and downside movements. But guys, already we had corrected like 30% or so on Bitcoin. Yeah, 32%. And on many alts we did drop even harder, even bigger, even deeper. Take a look at Ethereum. We dropped 46%. We have dropped a lot, really. And on some other alts we dropped like 70% or 80%. And of course I think we are entering good discount zone to buy some cheap alts. Because look, daily is red, weekly is super red, week was bearish, month was also pretty much red. I mean, a few names did some cool gains, Tron for example, but in general it was a correction month. But year is super bullish, guys. We take a look at this. We are still not in altcoin season, but a lot of projects give us increase like for thousands percent. Look, Bank 7,000%, Mantra Om almost 5,000%. It's crazy gains. Crazy gains. So, to keep it simple, yes, it's good time for buying alts. Yes, it is good time for trading this even with leverage, but be responsible for what you're doing. I mean, trade smart. If you go trading, you should understand that you will lose money time to time. I don't know any trader who trades only in profit and never loses. So a lot of people just can't handle this kind of sport, or I don't know how to say, hobby or profession. For me, it's something between hobby and sport and the profession, because originally I'm a musician. I play in a band called I Think So. By the way, you can check out our latest videos, which are showing up there. Yeah, so I entered crypto market in 2015. I'm lucky guy. So I know a lot about Bitcoin, about old altcoins, newer altcoins, and yeah, this is my third season in that case. That was my third halving, and yeah, I can tell you guys that we are still at super early stages in mass adoption of crypto and Bitcoin. If we compare it to internet adoption, which now is already 50%, we are still at 5%, even 4.7% on Bitcoin. So we are still pretty much early. If you compare to internet, it is like late 90s or early 2000. Of course, there may be a risk of bear market, another bear market, and bloodbath of altcoins. And back then also we remember there was a dot-com bubble on a stock market in 2000, in year 2000, and then we crashed. Take a quick look at the MicroStrategy shares. It went up 400% and then dropped to like minus 99 or so. Yeah, it was a complete bubble. By the way, looking very familiar to a lot of shitcoins. Which are you holding still, right? But then it took 20 years to get some revival of this project, when Michael Saylor basically put all his money and his clients' money where his mouth is. He put it all in Bitcoin, and look guys, what happened next. Here he say, okay, I am putting 100% of our reserves in BTC only, and then boom. Now, I mean, price now is skyrocketing, and I think maybe we will soon even break this all-time high if Bitcoin will continue to grow. So maybe Michael Saylor is the smartest guy, like Warren Buffett of these days. Please tell me what you think about it in comment section below. And guys, I'd like to see you here on channel. If you understand what I'm saying, please welcome. If you do not understand, if you speak only Russian, please get back to our main channel, and we will see you soon there. And by the way, yeah guys, I think we will go live soon, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, with a very cool special guest. So please subscribe if you like this, and leave a like and your thoughts below in the comment section. Muchas gracias, большое спасибо, and thank you very much. Really appreciate. Keep in touch. See you soon.